Hey everyone, so as you can tell from the title, this is a 5 days of Christmas nails collab. So a group of us got together and we picked some themes between us. So the first theme is snowflakes. So I'm going to be doing a not traditional wintry snowflake colours. So I'm going to be doing a purple set. It's like a two-tone purple set. So yeah, I'm just going to stick some music on and then we will come back at the end and have a look and see what we created. If I need to come back, I will. If not, I will. Okay, see you soon. Okay, I'm just going to add the final bits and bobs. So some of this is from AliExpress and some of it is from Charlie's. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. I quite like how the design turned out. I wish I never used the caviar beads. Oh, I had to finish doing it off camera because I was getting so frustrated. Oh no, I don't like using them. But I do hope you like how it turned out. I quite like it. I will have the collage picture at the end as well as my pictures, and don't forget to check out the playlist which will be in the description box, and don't forget to head over to Instagram to see everybody's designs, and yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and hopefully you will join me and us tomorrow for another one. Okay, hopefully I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.